Familia!
We're, I was gonna say Belize. In Sint Maarten!
Sint Maarten!
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Naya, and in this video, I am in Sint Maarten. Hey, hey, hey. If you're not new to the channel, then you know that like every year, I do a family trip in November. The year before we went to Belize, and the year before that went to Sint Maarten, but we stayed on the French side. This time we're on the Dutch side. We just got to our Airbnb and we just got done touring the villa and choosing our rooms. I just chose mine, and this place is super, my room is huge. So this is what my room looks like. It's super huge. It has a TV. Also has like another bed, which honestly I prefer because I do not like sitting or laying on my bed when I'm like, if I haven't had a shower. So like, this would probably be like my dirty bed. Like if I'm coming in from like the pool or something, I just want to sit down and like relax for a second. Here. This is the bathroom slash like closet area. I'm gonna start putting my stuff in the cabinets. And then this is the bathroom. Shower. Little full-size mirror. Hey. And then let me show you the actual villa. This is about to be a good trip. A great trip. Ain't that right, Kay?
Yep.
Yup. Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, we actually can work out.
I like this. You can actually sweat. God damn. Hey, back deck's gonna go crazy. Hey, we for being this pumping iron. Okay, so we're pretty much right now getting settled into our rooms. So I'm about to kind of start unpacking a little bit. I'm going to take some of the stuff out of my hygiene bag and just start putting it where it will go in this bathroom. That way I'm not just like, I like to like spread all my stuff out. Like if I'm gonna be here for 5 days, I need to feel like I live here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take my skincare and stuff out. Yeah, I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. Another travel vlog. I love Sint Maarten. They got some good food. And last time I felt a little sad because we were mainly on the French side, which was fine. The French side was fine. But we spent some time on the Dutch side, like the very last day. And that was to get some food before we made our flight. And I just love the vibe over here a lot more. And I was like, dang, like, I wish we had like at least one more day to experience the Dutch side. And now we have a whole trip where we're gonna be on the Dutch side. So I'm very happy about that. I'm very excited. But yeah, I'm about to get my life together and then I'm gonna come back. Have y'all ever watched the Tracy Ellis like travel documentary thing? I'm just like her when it comes to traveling, and like I love watching her little travel series because she also likes to lay her stuff out as soon as she gets somewhere. Like I like to completely unpack. I do not like living out of my suitcase especially when I'm gonna be somewhere for like more than like a weekend. I need my stuff laid out. Like I put some, y'all would call me crazy if y'all knew how many times I tried on every single outfit to make sure that like everything went with something at least twice. Yeah, so I'm gonna need to lay that needs to be displayed because I put so much work into that prior to coming here. So yeah, and then I also went ahead and laid out a swimsuit I'm wearing tonight for when we hang out at the pool later, and what I'm gonna be wearing tomorrow. Go ahead, just trying to make my life as easy and seamless as possible because we on vacation, baby. And I'm finna just hang out and chill with the girls while the guys go get some groceries and stuff. Period. So I'll come back in a second.
No perpetrator that night. G-Sack, cause it's popping out now. I own it. It's up.
We're at Nowhere Special. Look how big the food, look how big the drink menu is. This is the food menu. Run it back. Why they doing all that?
This recording? Is this thing on? Yeah, Lord. Toe up, situation. Ladies.
We got coconut shrimp.
You don't need to give me anything else?
Yeah. Can we have another one of the oxtail egg rolls? Really good.
Really good.
We're writing our names on the restaurant.
I guess her now.
Good morning. Day 2 in St. Maarten. It is currently 5:41 in the morning. You know, it's also going to be a day on a trip where I'm up at 5 in the morning. I've been up for about like an hour. I've just been laying here. Went to bed really, really early. And then I woke up and then couldn't go back to sleep. I wanted to watch the sunset, but the sun isn't even thinking about being up right now. So I'm just laying here until I have to get up at 6:15 to start getting ready for our boat day. I'm so thirsty. It's gonna be such a fun day. We're gonna be on the boat all day, and the boat's gonna take us to Anguilla, and it's gonna have a great time. Time to get our day started. Making some tea. I have been hooked on this chocolate tea I got from Sprouts. Like, I drink like 3 mugs of this a day at least. It is so good. I love a chocolate tea. Shout out to Guatemala for putting me on chocolate tea. It's so good. And I was so happy that I didn't even mean to, but I just came across it and I've been hooked.
It's hard to carry after dark. You're to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. It's been all about you from the start. I met someone last night and we can't do it. And I'm going back there tonight. You know
Apple mouth. Say nothing about my hair or you're anti-black. Hey, we miss our time.
all them. 28, 36,000, all them.
Pull up on her now, she probably see your bra. Ha ha.
Jumping like the flat like a frog, yeah. Just how I feel when I'm around you, shawty. Last night we didn't stay, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess I should've stayed?
So I nailed right. Come on, make a change.
I took your camera.
saying that with your chest.
No, you.
I'm trying to think what I have to confess.
Baby.
Not the falsetto. Not the falsetto.
Bye bye.
Nobody's like that. You got too much.
Can you be for real for 1 minute? I saw you trying to look at my dick, Kayla. I didn't play to get jumped on. I am all ready. This is my makeup of the day. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit because I think it's really cute. Where we at?
Sint Maarten. Seawing got. Big teams.
Big team. Yes, sir.
Her back big as fuck.
It is. It's finna get bigger.
Hey, Mama, I had to take that sea moss.
Good morning, guys. It's day 4 in St. Maarten. It's our last full day in this villa. I want to take advantage of our villa's gym, so I'm gonna go do a little cardio
You told me I could trust you. Don't stop. I could really use it.
Recording here, I can't find places to set my camera, but workout is done. Time to get ready.
I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me, take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me out the water, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a come and rescue.
Living the proof of it. Oh yeah.
I don't really know how to
Beach hopping. Oh, I shouldn't have stepped right there.
That's a big up red iron.
Outfit of the trip. I just got out of the shower. We're about to go get something to eat, and when we get back, I'm gonna start packing. Womp, womp, womp. Good morning. Is it a good morning though? Because we leave today. This was fun. Leaving. I am so sad right now because we are all packed up and about to head out of this Airbnb. I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. If you made it this far, I love y'all and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.
I just wanna look into the sun and say my $100,000 on the funds for the plus. I just wanna look up money that only in the rows that's running, windows spinning. You got a big spinning. I'ma get back on my feet, give me a minute. I'ma feel this in my glass, we're even in it. Yellow summer, give me a minute. Sun down when it shines and break it down. One line of mine, get no, see me no flex.